Hello students, good morning. Let's start today's class. Dear student, we are studying the lesson the Northern Plains. In Northern Plains, we saw the stretch of Northern Plains, which states are there in Northern Plains included, and what are the three river basin of the North. And after that, we saw the importance of Northern Plains. By this, we saw the lesson, and remaining thing is some states are here that lies in northern plains, so we have to study about some states, what are their location, capital, languages, food item, festivals, language spoken, and all the things. So let's start today's topic. We are going to see today two states. First one is Punjab and second one is West Bengal. So let's start. The student lies in the region. The state is Punjab. All you know, the capital of Punjab. The capital of Punjab is Chandigarh, and language is spoken in Punjab. Punjabi and Hindi, both languages are spoken. Rivers, Satluj, Beas and Ravi rivers, Bhakra Dam. In Punjab there is Bhakra Dam on which river? On Satluj river. Yes student, Bhakra Dam is located on Satluj river. Next one is climate. The student climate of Punjab is hot summers. There summer is very hot and winters are cold with moderate rainfall. Means all the season are found in Punjab, that is summer, winter and rainy season. Next one is when we talk about the occupation of Punjab, the main occupation of Punjab is agriculture, and the main crops which are grown there are rice, wheat and sugarcane. Yes student, rice, wheat and sugarcane, all these crops are grown there in Punjab. And festivals, when we talk about the festival of Punjab, the famous festival of Punjab are Guru Parab, Baishakhi, Lohri and Diwali. Dear student, the festival of Punjab are Guru Parab, Baishakhi, Lohri and Diwali. And next thing is folk dances. Folk dances, folk means group, and the folk dances of Punjab are Bhangra and Gidda. Bhangra and Gidda. Bhangra is performed by men and Gidda by women of Punjab. Next one is special food. Dear student, all we know the main food item of Punjab, that is sarso da saag and makke ki roti. Sarso da saag, makke ki roti and sarso da saag, and next is lassi. Yes student, these are the famous food items of Punjab. Next state is West Bengal, that is Kolkata. West Bengal, the capital of West Bengal is Kolkata. The language spoken mostly in Kolkata is Bengali. Yes, student, Bengali is the main spoken language of Kolkata. Next thing is climate, hot and humid summers. Hot and humid summers, heavy monsoon, pleasant winters. Hot and humid summers means, dear student, because of the coastal area, the summer are very hot and humid. When there is too much hot in any day, if there is too much hot in West Bengal, we can see rainfall in 24 hours. So the temperature of Kolkata, West Bengal is hot and humid. The summer of West Bengal is hot and humid. Heavy monsoon. Yes, student, we can see in Kolkata heavy monsoon, heavy rainfall, and pleasant winter. Winter is very pleasant in Kolkata. There is neither too much hot nor too much cold. And traditional dress. Dear student, main crops rice and jute. Main crops of Kolkata is rice and jute. The main crops of Kolkata are rice and jute. Traditional dress, sari for women. The women of Kolkata wear sari and dhoti kurta for men. And generally man wears dhoti and kurta. Major festivals. All we know the major festival of Kolkata, the main festival of Kolkata is Durga Puja, which is celebrated in courage and great fervor. Durga Puja, Diwali and Holi. These are the major festival of Kolkata. Special food. Yes, student. Because of the coastal region, fish are very famous there. Fish eating is famous there. Fish and rice curry. Fish cooked in mustard paste. In Kolkata, fish cooked in mustard paste, paesh or rice, progeny, a variety of sweets such as sandesh. Sandesh is very famous. Sandesh is a very famous sweet of West Bengal, and rasgola. Rasgulla is very famous of Kolkata. Dear students, here I want to conclude my class, and you can see here we saw today two states, about the two states, and we will see remaining state in our coming videos. And today I want to tell you, dear student, I am going to give you your project work that you have to do in summer vacation, and I hope you are doing your homework and all the things that is given to you, you are using it properly, and complete your all the things properly, and have a nice day.